Hey, good morning, Forex traders. This is Vance Williams out of the United States. Welcome to my morning prep for my Forex trading. You can follow me on Twitter. Forex Art of War is my account there. If you're not a member of our trading team and you're currently watching, I want to let you know that I'm creating a free training series on YouTube. And if you go to forexartofwar.com, you should be able to see that right here on your screen. Right here on the top, there's a big banner. It's on YouTube on my channel, Forex Art of War, but you can click right there, and I'm going to share everything I've learned in 10 years. And at some point, you're going to wonder, what the catch is. Is this leading to a purchase, whatever? Just know that I'm happy to give away all my knowledge. What I charge for is those who want coaching. So me watching you trade and helping you improve. So no catch at all. Okay, so let me get that off the screen. Let me do that in a different way. There we go. All right, so what I do on this show, again, is for your educational purposes only. I'm never intending to give you any information for you to push a button. Okay, so, this is a skill that is probably one of the most rewarding in the world, but it also is a real skill, no different from anything else. So try to keep that in mind. In fundamentals this morning, as I was looking around, basically, even though fundamentals are clearly bullish for the US dollar, it appears that discussions about Greece are stalling the markets. If Greece exits the euro, in my opinion, it's not good for the euro. If they stay, it's not good for the euro. I'm talking about the next couple of years, So we still have strong developments in the U.S. And economic weakness in the Eurozone. And it appears to me right now that the 112.76 level on the euro and the 150.200 level on the pound are being defended, probably by the central banks. There's just unusually strong buying there. But whatever's going on, it won't last forever. Something will give. There's no further high impact data today. So nothing I'm watching anyway. I did take a look at the major banks quickly, and I noticed that one of the top earners did flip this morning and actually went long on the pound dollar around that 150.200 level. I can understand that, but the rest of the majors are pretty quiet today. So let me take a look at the charts here, and I'll tell you real quickly what I see. It's very simple. Looking here at the euro, you've got a range here that's very easy to see for anyone. We probably could add a small trend line right here. And you'll see intersection between an old trend line here and one here, and that's where those sellers are kind of camped out. But on the top side, to kind of be out of the clear of these sell orders, you're going to have to get up to ahead of 113.53. And keep in mind that even if you do that, you're still going to have various sellers positioning in different places. But if this does pop up through here, it's probably going to hit quite a few stop loss orders right in here. And so it might move rather quickly if it pops above there. The move on the bottom, of course, is 112.76. That also is really obvious for anyone to see. And if we break through that, let's zoom out a little bit. We've got room to move because this activity over here doesn't really have anything to do with what's going on today. Now, the low will, the 1102, the all-time low position. But there'll be room from here to there if we get a break below. But like I said, somebody's camped out, probably a central bank buying here, and they have been for a while. Looks like that line's no longer useful to us. All right, so let's take a look at the pounds. It looks very similar. You've got a range of, what is it, about 60 pips. 5,200, still that key number on the bottom. So I'd want to see a move below there. On the top side, you're going to run into this. The people who are interested in selling right now are going to be looking right at this area, but there's also going to be sellers right in this area. So 52.63 is, if price gets above there, that's where the buyers will gain a bit of an advantage. So Right now, what I'm really looking for is a move below 5,200, but I'll also consider a trade above 5,263. And I'm also watching for any developments to come. I'm actually flipping on one of the news channels that I watch just to see what they're talking about. There's probably some kind of development that needs to happen this morning. I'm kind of looking over my shoulder here to see if I see anything. Dow futures minus, okay, so plus 94. So investments looking positive this morning. No real clues on the tickers that I see. So, basically that's what I'm looking for, a move below 5,200 or a move above 5,263. I wouldn't get involved in any of this. This is just, I don't know, this is like standing between two saw blades right now. So yeah, you got wicks up here, you've got fundamentals pointing down, but somebody's buying. And so, but one thing that you can know for sure is this is going to go one way or the other at some point. I know that sounds a little bit obvious to say, maybe, but the fact of the matter is it's stuck there right now, but it will break, and so that's what we're watching for. Let me see if I have anything else. Australian dollar, I just have no interest in that. The New Zealand, nah. Looks like the dollar yen. Okay, so the dollar is making a move against the yen right now, breaking a range top. That's interesting. So we see with one currency, the dollar's making that move. We're calling it bullish this morning. It's making the move now. CAD still holding steady, very much correlated to oil prices going up or down. And that's it. So everybody wants to sell, but it's a question of can we get through this level? So that's what we're watching for. So again, just let me share with you, if you have not seen my new trading series right here on forexartofwar.com, just click watch now or go to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be adding like a couple of classes to that series every week or so. And I'm going to share pretty much everything I know that you need to know in order to win. So that's it for now. You guys, I'm gonna kind of focus on my trading a little bit. You guys have a great morning, and cheers.